Exceeds expectations. This multi-purpose mini cupcake pan is built to perform and last. Extra durable construction offers even heat distribution. The superior non-stick coating prevents food from sticking. Easy to clean, inside and out. The non-stick interior releases foods effortlessly for easy cleaning and beautiful results. This square brownie pan is also 100% dishwasher safe, saving time on cleanup. Bakeware. This high-performance mini muffin pan can make mini muffins, cupcakes, brownie bites, bite-sized appetizers, mini cheesecakes, mini quiches, mini tarts and more. Use and care. The advanced non-stick technology is manufactured without PFOA. Heavy-duty construction. This pan is designed with rolled edges to prevent warping. Mix up your favorite cupcakes, muffins or get creative with egg bites and other culinary creations. Quality bakeware provides aspiring cooks with the confidence to create crowd-pleasing cakes, fudgy brownies and other mouthwatering treats. This cooking light kitchen-inspired muffin pan provides the consistency bakers can count on a presentation worthy of the work. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful bundt pan. Received this cooking light fluted pan on Friday, January 8. When the pan came, I had the ingredients all set up to make my cake. I washed the pan, mixed everything, following manufacturer's instructions. I did not use baking spray. I put the cake batter in a dry pan. I was so excited that the cake slid right out of the pan when cooled. My cake was baked to perfection. Cleanup was a breeze because there was nothing stuck to it. Today's dessert is pineapple upside-down cake. I will let you know how that turns out. I have been baking for 40 years and this has got to be the absolute best bundt pan I have ever had. Pineapple upside-down cake came out beautiful. I got so excited about how well the pan baked, and cleaned up I forgot to tell you how nicely it was packaged. It arrived with no nicks or dings, very securely packaged. I must order another.